Hey guys, welcome to another episode where I'm going to show you this. So this is called stop motion and I have made this with these pictures. At first I'm going to add every picture one by one. After that I am going to decrease the time of every picture one by one. I will say try to maintain same timing for every picture. I am taking 0.250 speed for every picture. I am zooming with my two thumbs so it's easy to see timings. For every picture the process is same. It's a time consuming process, so I am skipping some parts. So this is a time consuming process. I will suggest you guys, if you are taking many pictures, then take some break and do the edit.
Moments later. 2 hours later. Thousand years later.
So this is last picture to edit. So after all this, the output is if you want to add the music, so this is the process. And after the music, the final output is